hairstyles that are simply timeless, universally flattering and suitable for a variety of hair types. Bun hairstyles is one of them thanks to their flexibility in styling and invariably gorgeous feminine look. Hi guys, I'm Smriti and today I'm going to show you trendy and chic bun hairstyles that are easy to create. Before I get into the video, go ahead and subscribe to our BeBeautiful channel and also ring the bell icon for further notifications. Okay, so before I begin with the hairstyles, I'm going to spritz some dry shampoo because my hair is a little extra greasy today. Plus, dry shampoo will also add volume to my dull, day-old hair. It's the Dove Coconut Dry Shampoo. Shake the can and hold it 10 to 12 inches away from the hair. Spray lightly and evenly onto the scalp and root. Then using the fingertips, massage the product so that the oil-absorbing action can take place evenly across the head. For that extra lift, flip your head upside down while massaging the product into your scalp. This dry shampoo helps revive and refresh the hair. Plus, it helps mask any odor, all thanks to its long-lasting fragrance. Then, I'll go ahead and curl my hair, but not without applying a heat protectant spray like this one. It's the TRESemmé Keratin Smooth Heat Protection Spray. This not only creates a protective barrier between the heat and your hair, but it also gives the hair some grit, which allows it to stick to the iron rather than sliding off, which will ensure that you get smooth, shiny, defined curls.
Start by taking a section of hair from the front. Then create a Dutch braid, and when you reach your ear, braid the section till the end and secure with a hair tie. Now take a section from the other side and secure both the sections together at the back with a hair tie. Grab all the hair at the back and create a 3-strand braid. Start by wrapping the braid around its base while simultaneously securing with bobby pins and U-pins. Keep turning and pinning till the very end has been tucked in. And there you have a classic braided bun, perfect for the festive season.
Once I'm done, I'll spritz this hairspray. It's the TRESemmé Compressed Micro Mist Invisible Hold Hairspray. This hairspray will make sure my hairstyle stays put for a really long time. And the best part is that it is humidity resistant, fast drying and controls frizz for up to 24 hours.
Start by removing 2 tendrils from the front. Flip the hair down and gather them on the crown of your head. Start by tying a ponytail, but do not pull through the second time completely, creating a half bun. Then fan out the half bun and pin it down to the base. Use U-pins to tuck in any loose strands. Then gather the loose ends, roll it up and tuck it into the bun through the hair tie. And finally, spritz some hairspray. I love this top knot because it's perfect for hot, sunny days. Pull out 2 tendrils from the front and secure the top half of the hair into a ponytail. Then create a small gap above the hair tie and pull the hair through it, creating a topsy tail. Gather all the hair from down, divide it into 2 and secure each section with a hair tie, creating 2 equal ponytails. Make a loop on the left side of the topsy tail and pull the right pony through it. Go ahead and make a loop on the right side of the topsy tail and pull the left pony through that. Repeat these 2 steps one more time till you're left with 2 short loose ends. then roll the ends up and tuck it under the bun, securing it with bobby pins. This hairstyle might look a bit complicated, but trust me, you have to give it a shot.
So guys, I hope you liked the trendy and chic bun hairstyles. Let me know in the comments below which hairstyle was your favorite. Time for me to go, but before I go, make sure you like and share this video and subscribe to our BeBeautiful channel. Also ring the bell icon for further notifications, and I'll catch you in the next one.